Okay, hi, my name is Ranji Chopra. I am 22 and currently I am working with an events company. So, because I love it, because parties involved and all that stuff, and I love enjoying myself, so that's like a perfect job for me.
And you?
Hi, my name is Bhuvan Kera and I'm working with my dad into his business, and like we met on a common party, one of our common friends' birthday party. I guess 2 years back. 2 years back, and till then, like, we are in touch. Hopefully, by God's grace. I'm just looking.
Yeah.
So we met almost 2 years back, and it was a friend's party, and we didn't talk in that party. It was like
It was just eye contact.
It was just eye
made eye
contact.
contact.
And in fact, I was dancing with someone else in that party, but that didn't end well, of course. And after that, we kept on meeting, like
Random parties.
yeah.
Like, we used to party a lot. She also used to party a lot. I also, like, we still do, but धीरे धीरे हम लोग ज़्यादा मिलने लग गए common friends के through. So that's how we started gelling up. बात होने लग गई, and it was a mutual thing. No one as such took the initiative to propose each other, but it was a mutual thing. Like, बात हो रही थी रात को WhatsApp पे, we were just chatting and all of a sudden we just had a phone conversation, and it was like we started just like that only.
Yeah.
So there was no mutual propose. Nobody proposed to each other.
No one as such proposed. It was just like hearts were everywhere.
He's
in the
not
chat.
the most
Kisses and
romantic.
hugs.
He's not the most romantic guy in the world. So
Is it?
So what did you like about him?
he's nice, and I like that about him a lot. And he's like,
Nice in what context?
no, he's just a nice person, and he's caring. जैसे अभी भी when we were coming, I was like, मुझे juice पीना है. And we were coming from a way जहाँ पे कहीं पे कुछ नहीं है, and then he just stopped his car in the middle of the road, and I'm like, he's mad. The police is standing right there. I don't know what the hell is he doing.
Obviously,
Gaya,
feeling thirsty.
or he came back in like what 3-4 minutes, and he's like, here you go. So you know, it's like I don't really have to ask for anything. I know that even if I mention it, he'll do it for me.
Thank you. I really like that fact. Like, she notices small.
Then why love school?
Because of course, then the other side comes where he goes out at night and he doesn't tell me, and I have to find out from other people that he's partying with such a girl or such and such a person, and
So all the problem is with him.
yeah.
Not exactly that.
So aren't you speaking?
She is a bit dominating. She's like, why don't you listen to me? Why don't you wear clothes according to me? Why don't you come according to me? So this is not done, obviously. And I also have
She will choose clothes for you.
Yeah, she sometimes fights with me. Like, why you not wearing
Clothes
that
is
shirt
very
which I
important.
told you to wear?
Clothes is very important, and I hate
Raji, I
when-
never did that. Okay, you should wear what I want you to.
Shut up. I always look good, that's why. So,
Really? I
like,
also look good. Yeah.
I don't like it when he wears like orange, for example, or green, or gande colors.
I love wearing all colors,
I can't
yeah.
take it. I cannot even stand orange. Like अगर मेरे सामने
This is what I have to deal sometimes.
अगर मेरे सामने orange पहन के आ गया तो मतलब get lost, just get lost. I cannot deal with
See,
it.
so
And-
this is the other side of Ranji.
Okay.
And then obviously there's another thing that we both are like, we always have fights over food. He's vegetarian, I'm non-vegetarian, and he doesn't really drink either. So
And you drink a lot.
I don't know. No, she drinks sometimes, occasionally on parties and all, just to get high, just to get in the flow. But I don't really do that. I earlier used to do, but now it's like I really don't like doing it. So that's why. She has a problem कि मैं पी रही हूँ, तू क्यों नहीं पी रहा है? Everyone is just having it, everyone is enjoying it, you not doing it. तो ठीक है यार, it's not my wish, I don't want to.
and I also hated that he cannot eat non-veg. Like it's very sad for me because I want to go somewhere and have like, you know, food, like good food, obviously, and obviously good food is not paneer. So
It's not even chicken, okay?
and then we have to argue. We argue about it and stuff. And
Sometimes it's good, but sometimes it end up very badly. Like she and me, any one of us just started yelling each other. कि क्यों नहीं मेरे साथ बैठ के you have only that vegetarian thing, or why don't you have non-veg with me?
And then I'm very curious about his phone. I feel like he deletes his messages and stuff.
Why?
It's true. Because he's feeling at you.
He कहाँ से आया?
Bas, I just feel like even now when you're in the car, I'm just feeling at you.
You want to check my phone,
I think I should be able to check your
but why I never checked your phone?
Because I don't trust you so much. I should be able to check your phone.
Really? You don't trust me? This is not that.
Okay.
Fine.